During the 16th century, Crete recovered from its decline, rebuilding grand palaces with central courtyards, monumental stands, wrestling competitions, and ritual bull games. Religious belief centered on a powerful god and a mother goddess, while the king was considered divine. The culture spread through the Cyclades and the Peloponnese, including Mycenae, Tiryns, and Argos. Meanwhile, Myrsilai captured Babylon in 1595, but the Kassites soon established their rule. In Egypt, the use of horses helped the Theban kings defeat the Hyksos. Kamosis reduced their territory, and in 1570 armies decisively defeated Apophis III, ending Hyksos' power. Armies established the new Egyptian empire, strengthening royal authority and military power. The title pharaoh emerged during this period. His successor, Amenophis I, recovered Nubia, Sinai and Canaan, while Thutmosis I expanded Egyptian control to the Fourth Cataract and as far as Carchemish. Egypt continued to expand under Thutmosis I, while Thebes gained unprecedented prestige through monumental temples. Pyramid construction was abandoned in favor of hidden rock-cut tombs. Meanwhile, the Hurrites formed Mitanni around 1500, taking territory from the declining Assyrian and Hittite kingdoms. In Egypt, Hatshepsut became the first known woman ruler, promoting trade, mining and industry rather than military expansion, while commissioning enormous obelisks. After Hatshepsut's death in 1469, Thutmosis III became a powerful military ruler. He defeated the Canaanites at Megiddo, captured the city after a 7-month siege, destroyed Kadesh in 1462 and crossed the Euphrates into Mitanni. Egyptian control over Canaan remained undisputed for a century. At the same time, Crete's Mediterranean dominance declined as Mycenaean civilization expanded. Later, Amenophis II continued Egyptian expansion, while Thutmosis IV pursued peace with Mitanni and promoted the previously secondary Egyptian god Aten.